Hi, hello, how are you?
Hello.
I see you're looking quite different. Are you here for marathon as well?
Yes, I am here
Oh
for
my god,
marathon.
your outfit is quite unique. Do you
Thank
want to
you.
describe it for me, please?
Oh, yes, of course. I will love to describe it. Yes, you can see what I have written here.
Yes, of
Yeah, so
course.
it says here Indian woman dilemma.
Oh my
So it shows
god.
that Indian woman has got variety of problem in their life. So that's why you can see my different pictures,
Oh my
and all my
god.
pictures are communicating different things. Okay. So which
Okay.
picture do you want me to start telling you?
Let's start with the very first picture that I see over here.
Okay, so Indian women are supposed to be very respectful for their elders. So they are not supposed to oppose anything. So when elderly people are there, anyone, they have to touch the feet, get the blessing. And yes, they have to be respectful. They cannot reply back. No matter what comes, they have no right to reply back to the elders.
Oh my
So that's how they
god.
have to respect.
I see one more very unique picture. It says that the lady is cleaning a toilet. Do you mind
Yes,
describing that?
so no matter how educated you are, women have to do all household things. Okay, some women are blessed with having servant, but if at all servant doesn't come, women have to clean and do everything. Mans are never going to touch the toilet.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
yeah,
interesting.
mans are never ever.
And that's so true as well.
Boys, not only man, even the boys, they are not going to touch the toilet. They are not going to do mopping. They are not going to do any sort of cleaning. So it is always only the girls and mother. They have to take the responsibility.
I see one more picture right over here where a woman is cooking. Do you mind
Yeah,
to
that's
tell
that's
me?
100% made for the woman. Cooking is always 100% for the woman, and they are supposed to cook everything from scratch, because Indians, they love curries, they love chapatis, they love everything flour and everything, and they not only little, they want at least 2-3 curries. Okay, they want at least varieties. Table should be full of food. Indian food should be full of varieties, and they have to do everything. No matter you go to work in bank, no matter you earn how much money, but you have to do cooking. And if you don't do cooking, tasty food, again you get blamed for that the food is dirty. Okay, and you can get punished for that. So literally you can get punished if food
So
is not
true.
good.
I
Okay.
have noticed that, and I really believe you're
Yeah.
true.
So
The last picture over here says a woman ironing.
yes. So even sometime these days in cities, they can take the cloth for ironing outside. Otherwise, women have to do everything, A to Z, everything at home. They will iron not only her own cloth, she has to iron the whole family cloth. So literally from baby to old person, everyone's cloth she has to iron every day. So even if the ironing is not up to the standard of husband can punish even for that.
Oh my god, that's a
Yes.
critical
Yeah,
thing.
so husband can punish even for ironing, although she is not professional ironer, but she can be punished for that. She has never got any training, but they expect her to be like an expert iron person.
Oh, that has a
Yes.
point. Okay, so with this side, there's also an interesting photo of elderly care. I see that there are you are taking care, I believe.
Yes, so I looked after my father-in-law roughly about 20 years. So elderly, looking after your elderly person is again a responsibility. Most of the families are joint family there. So if you don't look after your elderly person, then you will be named as bad bahu. So if you don't, you may not have time sometime, you may not have good health or whatsoever reason, but it is supposed to be there that you must look after elderly person, you do everything, and even if you don't look after nicely, you will be always punished for that as well, and you will be criticized. So whether you get any penny for that or not, in Western countries, when you look after elderly person, you get paid, but not in India. You don't get any penny for
Oh my
that.
god, my heart hurts. The second picture is quite interesting. It's you, I believe, with academy beside. Do Do you mind sharing that, please?
Yes, so slowly, women are becoming financially independent. So, women realize that if they are not financially independent, they are getting more tortured because for every penny they have to depend on the husband. And husband, as usual, they are king of the house. They don't want to share any money. And if they share any money, they will treat the wife like a beggar. So they don't want to give financially freedom at all. So now women have started educating themselves and they are earning money, although they are able to earn, but still they cannot decide anything, they cannot do anything of that money. So yes, this is another thing is changing day by day. These husbands, they are expecting their women to contribute financially as well. So they are expecting women to earn money. So if they are not earning, they will say, oh, you are useless. Although she will work whole day at home, but no value at all for her. So slowly women are working now.
And over here, the last picture says it's you as well, I believe, in an Indian outfit that you're wearing right now as
Oh
well.
my God, you saw that?
Yes,
right.
it's quite
Yeah, that was
different.
for a wedding I was wearing. So this is again very a unique thing in India. Only beautiful women will be treated nicely. So that's got nothing to do with the woman because we all get birth by God bless. So if you're not blessed with beautiful face, then it's very difficult for you to get a nice bride. So like when I was growing, my skin is, you can see I'm not very fair, so many men would like to marry me because even though if their skin is brownish, doesn't matter, but they want still very nice, fair and beautiful girl. So that's the how it is.
Wow.
No beauty, you're not beautiful, you can't get married.
So you want to break this orthodox thought process that people have, am I right?
Yes, please, because we don't know how I'm going to get birth. I might be getting skin of my father, I might be getting skin of my grandmother or anybody. But is it a fault of the girl that she is dark? Why she should get punished for that?
So true. The next picture in your back is very interesting one. There's a woman with a black tape around the mouth.
Exactly. So the reason for that is that Indian women are supposed to do everything, looking after the child, looking after the elderly people, cooking, cleaning, and looking after the relationship of everybody, celebrating all the festival, going office and earning these days. But still, she cannot speak anything. She cannot say, okay, I want my child's name should be this. Although she will give a birth, she will carry 9 months, but still name, even the child's name will be decided by a man or someone else in the family. She doesn't have right to decide the name also of her own child. She doesn't have a right within the house also. She doesn't have a right to say that this house belong to me, I want to sell it, I want to buy it. No, she cannot do. So she can't talk anything about finance. She can't talk, she doesn't have right even to do anything about finance, or whether it is investment or selling or anything. So that's how is the women are so shut mouth. They just cannot, they cannot object anything.
Oh my God.
And if they object, they get punished for that.
I get you now. Oh my God. Every picture over here has a purpose. I see one more picture right below where a man, I believe, is hitting the woman.
That's happening. Very much that's happening. So women can be punished for any reason. Women can be punished if she is coming late from office. They will start being suspicious that you are having affair, you went here and there, you're supposed to be here at 6 o'clock, why are you coming at 8 o'clock? Men can go out and party, no problem. But if women are out even for 1 hour, 2 hours, they will always have punishment for that. Women can get punished if the child is not having good education, they will be blamed, they can be punished for that. Women can be punished if the food is not good, they can be punished for that also. Women can be punished if the food is delayed also. So if the food was supposed to be 12 o'clock and food is at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because she was not in good health or anything, she can be punished for that. Women can also be punished if they are not able to produce a boy.
Oh my God.
If she's got continuously 2-3 girls, because there is a heavy demand of boys. So she can be punished for that. So I hope everybody will understand why I'm wearing this outfit and what message I'm trying to convey. I want women to get equal opportunity how the boys are getting. I want all girls of India, not only India, any part of the world, girls should have the equal right how the boys are having. We are born to be free. We are born to have equal treatment. We are born to do anything. God has given equal amount of fingers in our hand, equal amount of brain. We are not short of brain. Let this brain work. Let this brain function. Do not control the brain of the girls. They have equal opportunity. They have equal brain. Let them live the life. They will be helpful. They will still look after the family. They will be good person. So all you desire to have a good person, do not control women. Thank you. I will suggest you to subscribe Meena Mantra and please communicate and share as many as people you can share this message, and let everybody stand up together for the women on this earth. Let them have a beautiful life. Trust me, they will make beautiful life to anyone around them. Thank you.
Wow, you're going to run with this outfit,
Yes,
am I
I'm going to
right?
run my marathon.
With such a good
And, I have a
intentions.
target to complete in 2 hours.
Oh my god, that's
This is my 10th marathon, and I'm going to run, and I have a target to complete in
10th marathon. It
yes.
seems you're a marathon runner yourself.
yeah,
Oh my
last 2 years I've
god.
been running, and yes, I'm flying.
What's your age? Do you mind sharing me your age, please?
I'm 52 now.
Oh my god, I can't believe that.
Yes,
That
I'm
is
52.
amazing. 52, healthy, and so much
Yes.
passionate about your marathon. I
Yes,
see.
I love running.
Dropping
I love
very good
running.
message around. Oh my god, I love
I
that.
love running.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
I hope people will understand your
Thank
initiative.
you. Please share Meena Mantra. Please share Meena Mantra. Please let everybody know what is happening in Indian women's society, and let them be free and contribute in this society.
Yes, of course, we are fighting for women's freedom over here. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.